Did you know the universe is like a giant playground filled with stars, planets, and galaxies? Imagine a space so big that it stretches beyond what we can see. Our home, Earth, is just a tiny speck in the Milky Way galaxy, which has over 100 billion stars. Now, let's zoom in on our solar system. It's made up of the Sun, which is a huge ball of fire, and 8 planets, including our blue planet Earth. Mercury is the closest to the Sun and is super hot, while Neptune is way out there, freezing cold and windy. And guess what? There are also dwarf planets like Pluto, which used to be considered a full planet. It's like a little ice ball floating in space. Speaking of space, have you ever heard of black holes? They're mysterious regions where gravity is so strong that nothing can escape, not even light. It's like a cosmic vacuum cleaner. The universe is always changing too. Stars are born, live their lives, and eventually explode in a spectacular show called a supernova. This creates new stars and planets, continuing the cycle of cosmic creation. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember you're gazing at a vast magical universe full of wonders waiting to be explored.